life treats you kind, and I hope you have all you dreamed of, and I wish all of you joy and happiness, but above all this, I wish you love. ना सलाम याद रखना, ना पैगाम याद रखना, इस दिल की छोटी गुजारिश है यारो, मेरा नाम जरूर याद रखना, मेरा नाम है दिलरुबा. The lady out there is really very, very happy. But, ladies and gentlemen, we got to continue, and we need to introduce someone who had that vision, who had that dream, and turned this entire vision into a reality. Please give it up and welcome on stage the MD of DIVA Pageants and the organizers of Mrs. India Empress of the Nation. Give it up for Karl and Anjana Mascarenhas. I'm lucky Anjana's not yet here, Karl. We get to do a ramp walk together. Yeah, come on, give it up! Hello, Anjana. Welcome. Yes. Everyone, let's see your hands up in the air. Clap to the beat, to the music, and clap, clap, clap.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, when you have a dream, it must be realized. If you have an idea, it must be fructified. And this concept led my wife and me to commence with what we call true women empowerment. We give ladies from across India, across Maharashtra, a stage as big as this one, because this oft repeated thing as to what is real woman empowerment can really only be realized when they are on stage in front of an audience as big as you and are allowed to express their deepest feelings. Ladies and gentlemen, one last thought. Every one of us, everybody reads the news. Very, very few people make the news. Tomorrow, our queens will be front page news. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Karl. This is what I like about both of them, their passion, and they're so strong in their views. Thank you very much for this wonderful reality. Now, we have two categories for this evening. We have the silver category queens and the gold category queens. Now, the silver category queens are from the age group of 20 to 37 years, and the gold category are from the age group of 37 to 55 years. We have women who are amazing. They worked really very, very hard, and that kind of applause will be needed continuously throughout the show. But for now, we're going to introduce and welcome and honor our silver category judges. We have Dr. Gaurangi Shrawat. She's a dermatologist by profession. She's the reigning Mrs. India Empress of the Nation 2018. And next, the silver category judge is Pia Pavani. Pia is Mrs. India Empress of the Nation, second runner-up 2018, representing Oman. She's been a model for 8 years in Oman and has done award-winning short films. And the third silver category jury is none other than Karl Mascarenhas. Today he's a groomer par excellence, a renowned motivator and a mentor for men and women. And we all look up to you, Karl. We move on to our gold category judges, all lined up over here looking absolutely pretty. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please join your hands together and invite our honorable judge, Dr. Aditi Govichkar. I can only say that she remains the first and the only Indian woman to have won the Mrs. World title. Our next beauty judge, let's give it up for Rachna Sharma. Well, Dr. Rachna Sharma, she's the leading psychologist and the managing director of the Body Clinic She's practicing in Bengaluru, US, Canada, and Dubai. And next on, our James Bond for the evening, Karl Sharma. Kamal possesses a wealth of experience with more than 26 years of hospitality industry experience. Now, he has been a part of Hyatt family since 2013 and is the Director Sales of Marketing at Hyatt-Pune since May 2017. And that gorgeous lady, let's give it up for Simran Godwani. Well, Simran is the reigning Mrs. India Empress of the Nation 2018 first runner-up. She represented India at the Mrs. Lady Star Universe pageant in Portugal. Right now we have our silver category beauties in the Indian attire. Let's give it up and welcome them on stage. Can I see your hands up in the air once again? And let's give it up for our gold category, the Indian Thank you very much. That was absolutely fantastic. Well, we got to introduce two more absolutely wonderful celebrity judges. Please welcome Mugdha Godse. Welcome, Mugdha. Thank you very much. And our next jury, our next judge for our silver category, the very dapper, the very handsome Ashmit Patel. We have the gown round with all our beauty queens, but we have something extremely very, very special. We have a special Mrs. India, Empress of the Nation anthem that has been composed and sung by Cynthia Furtado, one of my favorites out here this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, she's going to sing live for all of us.
This is India, Empress of the Nation. This is India, Empress of the Nation. From north to the south, east to the west, gotta give it all, you know you're the best. Rockin' on the stage, hey queen, you glow. Dazzling strong, you're gonna steal the show. Beautiful, yeah, you are splendid. Yeah, you are ravishing. Yeah, you are glamorous. Yeah, you are with looks to kill everyone. Hey, diva girls, just bring it on. Dare to dream and slay them all. Hey, diva girl, just bring it on. Mrs. India, Empress of the Nation.
Now, the state board exam begins. The question answer round. Farah, you're going to help me with the judges, but I think I'm going to get on to our number 15 contestant.
Madhuri, I'm going to ask you a very simple question, which is my very patent question for the contest. Simple one. I've been asked this in my contest days. What does success mean to you? What's your definition?
Success is life. Success is life. I like to celebrate my life, and I aspire to inspire before I expire. And that is success for me. Thank you.
Okay. Hi, Chaitali.
Hi.
If you could give your younger self one piece of advice, what would that be?
I would like to suggest, don't take your parents to be granted. Thank you.
Very easy, Monica. You are smiling beautifully, looking beautiful. Just a simple question. What is your definition of life?
Thank you, ma'am, for the wonderful question. For me, life is time. We are never supposed to waste time, because once time is lost, it's lost. We're never going to get it back. So we should be making best use of time and get the best out of it. Like me, for example, I made best use of the time here in DIVA Pageant to bring out the best in me. Thank you.
Very, very nice, and you're right on time. Thank you very much. Request you to take your backstage. Well, ladies and gentlemen, now it's the time to welcome our top 10 gold contestants. Judges, now it's your time to shine, because they're going to answer all your questions. Are you ready, darling? All right, we have contestant number 11, a judge for her, please, Farah.
Hi, Nishta.
Hi, ma'am.
Good evening. You're looking gorgeous.
Very good evening. Thank you very much.
Okay, my question for you today is, who has it easier in life, men or women? Your perspective.
My perspective on that would be, men can find beauty, intelligence, hardworking, sincere women in every woman. Where do we go? Thank you.
Hi, Alpana, and my compliments on your fitness. You're truly an inspiring figure out there. My question to you is, who's the most influential person in your life besides somebody from your family? So don't choose anyone from your family.
I adore Malaika Arora for her body and beauty. And she is so hot and sexy like me. Thank you.
Good evening, Dalia.
Good evening, Aditi.
My question to you is, what is unique about you? So why we as judges should select you, if we were to, as the winner?
To be a winner, what you need is a positive and relaxed mind, a beautiful heart, a socially responsible soul. I think I'm a perfect combination of all of it, with a poise or a dash of elegance, you may call it. So I think I am there to be the winner, because with that all-rounder, winning is to be sure. Thank you.
Hello, Archana. Hi, ma'am. Okay, tell me, if women were to rule the world by 2050, how different would it be?
If women were to rule the world by 2050, there would be no wars, but there would be a few bunch of countries not talking to each other. Thank you.
There will be no problem with the men, because all the men will turn beautiful. Special announcements and honor to be given to our beauty queens out here. We have Vartika Patil. She is a reigning Mrs. West India. She will be representing India as Mrs. Universe West Asia 2019 at Guangzhou, China in December 2019. Let's give it up for her and wish her all the best. She is a reigning savvy Mrs. India 2019 first runner-up. She will be representing India as Mrs. Universe Australasia 2019. Astha Agarwal. Mrs. India International Queen 2019, Reena Bhavsar. And congratulations. Mrs. India International Queen 2019, Poonam Birhari. Calling on Mamta Oswal, Mrs. India, Queen of West 2019.
From north to south, east to west, gotta give it all, you know you're the best. Rocking on the stage, hey queen, you grow. Dazzling and strong, you're gonna steal the show. Beautiful, yeah, you are.
And we have Mrs. India, Queen of Central India 2019, Archana Prasad.
Glamorous, yeah, you are. With looks to kill everyone. Hey, diva girl, just bring it on. Daydream and slay them all. Hey, diva girl, just bring it on. Mrs. India, Empress of the nation.
So we're ready to announce our winners for our silver category. We begin with our second runner-up, contestant number 14, Kamal Mongia.
You are splendid, yeah. You are ravishing, yeah. You are glamorous.
Our first runner-up, Monica, oh my darling, contestant number 10, Monica Reddy. For a winner for silver category, number 11, Chaitali Patil. Gold category, second runner-up, contestant number 10, Talia Datta.
This is India, Empress of the nation.
Congratulations, absolutely fantastic. We're ready to announce our first runner-up, and it is contestant number 8, Archana Shah.
This is India, Empress of the nation.
And I think we're ready to announce the winner of our gold category. Once again, we have contestant number 11, Nishtha, our queen, a winner, Mrs. India Empress of the Nation, gold category. Nishtha, congratulations.
This is India, Empress of the nation. This is India, Empress of the nation. This is India, Empress of the nation.
Gold category winner, Nishtha, congratulations.
You know,
Dilruba, I have some more exciting news. The winners in both the categories are going to win a hamper of rupees 15,000 from Woodworks.
Wow.
And they are also going to win gold-plated silver Moda Sutras from Moda Sutra by Usha Karnani.
Give it all, you know you're the best. Rocking on the stage, hey queen, you grow. Dazzling strong, you're gonna steal the show. Beautiful, yeah. You are splendid, yeah. You are ravishing.
उन्होंने सिंपल गर्ल को एक क्वीन में कन्वर्ट किया है. So I'm really thank to Anjana ma'am and Karl and DIVA Pageants.
अब जब हमारे सर पे ताज है तो हमारे पास बहुत सारी जिम्मेदारी भी है जिसको हमें आगे बढ़ाना है अच्छी तरह से, पॉजिटिव तरीके से.
और अगर भगवान ने चाहा तो मैं ज़रूर इंडिया के लिए मिसेस यूनिवर्स का ताज लेकर आऊँगी. और अंजना मैम की कोचिंग के अंडर मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं ये ताज जीतूँ इंडिया के लिए और इंडिया का नाम रोशन करूँ.
यहाँ तक आना एक शादीशुदा महिलाओं के लिए बहुत आसान नहीं होता. उनके पास काफ़ी चैलेंजेस होते हैं, घर देखना होता है, बच्चे देखने होते हैं. उसके बावजूद अगर वो एक फॉर्म भी भरती हैं और सोचती है कि वो यहाँ तक इस स्टेज पे, इस मुकाम पे आएगी, तो मेरे हिसाब से वो भी एक बहुत बड़ी विनर है.
Follow our tagline, Dare, Dream
dazzle.